Have you ever pondered where all the water on Earth came from? It's a question that has intrigued scientists, philosophers, and thinkers alike for centuries. Water, that extraordinary substance which covers around 70% of our planet's surface, is crucial to life as we know it. Every living organism, from the smallest single-celled bacteria to the largest blue whale, requires water to survive. It's in our oceans, our rivers, our bodies, even in the air we breathe. It is, quite literally, everywhere. Yet, despite its ubiquity, the origin of water on Earth remains a tantalizing mystery. It's a puzzle that has spurred countless theories, each one more fascinating than the last. Did it arrive here aboard comets, those icy travelers of the cosmos? Or did it emerge from the very rocks of our planet, released through volcanic activity? Perhaps it's been here all along, trapped in the dust and gas that coalesced to form the Earth billions of years ago. Each theory has its merits and its challenges, and none can be definitively proven or disproven. The truth likely lies somewhere in the middle, a complex interplay of cosmic and terrestrial processes that have given rise to our planet's life-giving oceans. Understanding the origins of water isn't just an academic exercise, it's a quest that could shed light on our own origins and our place in the cosmos. It could help us understand the conditions necessary for life, not just on Earth, but on other planets as well. It's a question that goes to the very heart of who we are and where we come from. So, where did all this water come from? Let's dive into the deep sea of knowledge to find out. And to understand the origin of water, we must first travel back in time to the violent birth of our planet. Our journey takes us to an era around 4.5 billion years ago, when our Earth was just beginning to form. Picture a swirling, chaotic mass of dust and gas, the remnants of a colossal supernova gradually coalescing under the relentless pull of gravity. This was a time when the Earth was a wild, untamed beast. Its surface was a seething cauldron of molten rock, a fiery inferno far removed from the serene landscapes we know today. The air was thick with volcanic gases, the sky painted in hues of red and orange by the ever-present glow of bubbling lava. As the Earth grew, it was pummeled relentlessly by meteorites. This period in our planet's history, known as the Late Heavy Bombardment, saw a surge of meteor impacts that lasted for nearly 100 million years. The violence of these impacts would have been unimaginable, with each collision releasing energy equivalent to billions of nuclear bombs. Yet amidst the chaos and violence, the foundations for life were being laid. The Earth's molten surface slowly began to cool, forming a thin crust that would become the continents and ocean floors. The constant meteor impacts, while destructive, also played a part in shaping the Earth. These meteorites, you see, were not just bringers of destruction, they were also carriers of essential elements, including one that would play a crucial role in the story of water: hydrogen. Hydrogen, when combined with oxygen present in the Earth's atmosphere, forms water, laying the groundwork for the oceans that would eventually cover over 70% of our planet's surface. In its early days, Earth was a far cry from the blue planet we know today. So, how did it become the watery world it is now? Scientists have proposed several theories about how water came to be on Earth. The mystery of our planet's water origin is a fascinating puzzle that scientists have been trying to piece together for years. Here, we will explore the main theories and the evidence that supports and contradicts each one. One prominent theory suggests that water was delivered to Earth by celestial bodies, specifically comets or asteroids. This theory is known as the delivery theory. These icy bodies hurtling through space could have bombarded our planet during its early years, depositing vast amounts of water. The supporting evidence for this theory includes the presence of similar isotopes of hydrogen and oxygen in both our ocean water and comets. However, not all comets share these isotopic similarities, casting some doubt on this theory. Another theory, called the outgassing theory, proposes that water came from within the Earth itself. As the Earth cooled after its formation, volatile gases trapped in the planet's interior could have been released or outgassed through volcanic activity. This expelled water vapor would then condense and form oceans. The main evidence supporting this theory comes from the observed water content in volcanic gases. However, it's unclear if enough water could be produced this way to fill our vast oceans. The third theory, known as the chemical reaction theory, suggests that water was formed through chemical reactions in the Earth's early atmosphere. Specifically, ultraviolet light from the sun could have triggered chemical reactions between hydrogen and oxygen, creating water. This theory is supported by laboratory experiments showing that such reactions can indeed produce water. However, the amounts produced in these experiments are relatively small, raising questions about whether this process could account for all the water on Earth. Each theory has its merits and its flaws. The delivery theory is fascinating, but the varied isotopic compositions of comets challenge its validity. The outgassing theory is compelling, but the question of whether enough water could be produced remains. And while the chemical reaction theory is intriguing, the small amounts of water produced in laboratory settings cast doubt on its feasibility. In the grand scheme of things, the origin of Earth's water is a complex puzzle, and the pieces are still falling into place. Scientists continue to gather evidence, test theories, and refine their understanding of this critical aspect of our planet's history. It's possible that the truth may lie in a combination of all these theories. Water may have originated from multiple sources, each contributing to the vast and vital oceans we see today. In the end, while we may not have all the answers, the quest for knowledge continues. And as we delve deeper into the mysteries of our universe, we come to appreciate the complexity and wonder of our blue planet. Each theory has its merits and its flaws, but the truth may lie in a combination of all of them. Fast forward to the present day, and water is a vital part of life on Earth. Water, the lifeblood of our planet, the blue arteries that crisscross our continents, the swirling clouds that dance in our atmosphere, the shimmering oceans that cover more than 2/3 of our planet's surface. Without water, Earth as we know it would cease to exist. In the grand cosmic ballet, water plays a leading role. It is the prima ballerina, the virtuoso soloist, the master storyteller. Its performance is a captivating spectacle of transformation, from liquid to solid to gas and back again. This cycle, the water cycle, is a key player in the Earth's climate system. It regulates our planet's temperature, distributes heat around the globe, and drives weather patterns. But water's role doesn't stop at weather. It is the essence of life itself. Every known form of life, from the smallest microorganism to the largest blue whale, requires water to survive. It's a solvent, a transport medium, a coolant. It facilitates biochemical reactions and provides a home for countless species. Today, our understanding of water continues to evolve. We're not just looking at the water on our planet, but beyond. Space agencies worldwide are on a quest to find and understand water elsewhere in the solar system. From the icy moons of Jupiter and Saturn to the desert plains of Mars, the search for water is the search for life, and the water we drink today has been around for billions of years. It's been in the oceans, in the clouds, in the bodies of dinosaurs. It's traveled through time and space, seen the birth of stars and the death of galaxies. It's been part of countless stories, and it continues to shape our own. The journey of water, from its mysterious origins to its central role in life as we know it, is a testament to the ever-changing nature of our planet. We've traveled from the violent birth of Earth to the present day, exploring the theories and mysteries surrounding the origin of water. We started from the early, tumultuous days of our planet, journeyed through the various theories that scientists have proposed over the centuries, and delved into the water as we know it today. We looked at the theory of water being delivered by icy comets, the possibility of water existing within the Earth's mantle from its inception, and even the hypothesis of water being a byproduct of chemical reactions in the Earth's atmosphere. The importance of water, not just to our survival, but to the very existence of life on Earth, can't be overstated. But our understanding of water, its origins, and its role is still evolving. New discoveries and research continue to add layers of complexity to this seemingly simple substance. So the next time you take a sip of water, remember its incredible journey and the mysteries it holds. Until next time, keep wondering, keep exploring, and stay thirsty for knowledge.